Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about the 2024 Trax, the 1LT specifically, and the safety features that come standard and upgraded safety features that you can actually have put on the vehicle. And then we'll talk about a couple other small things I like about the Trax, and then we'll get out of here. We'll just get the business side of things out of the way. MSRP $25,180. This is the Cayenne orange. Unfortunately, the lighting in the showroom here I don't think makes it pop quite as much, and outside would be even worse because we haven't seen the sun in about 2 weeks here in Southwest Ohio. Starting with the safety feature standard, you get the full, with the Chevy Safety Assist, you get the forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, which based off how I've seen some people drive in the Kroger's parking lot around here, is definitely an added asset there. And also, people just seem to jump in front of cars anymore. I don't know if they're just trying to get insurance money or what they're going for. Lane departure alerts and HD rear vision camera. I'm glad that that has become a standard feature. Package you can get on top of that with the Trax is the driver confidence package. That is comes with rear cross traffic alerts. Always nice to know what is coming from either side behind you. And you also get the side blind zone alert and adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control will be very hard for me to show since we're in the showroom, but you know, I don't think it's legal for me to do one of these videos and try to show how that works on the highway or on the streets. Last of all, it is being November, or sorry, not November, being January, the coldest time of the year, at least in the Midwest. You have the LT convenience package, which you can add on there. Gets you the heated steering wheel and the heated seats. Take a quick look here. You get the upgraded, on the LTs, you get the upgraded 17-inch wheels. Take a quick peek inside. You have your 11-inch touchscreen radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible. You can run Waze, Google Maps for navigation. I personally prefer Waze because I have a lead foot and I want to know where the cops are. And you have the digital control center there. I will have a link below with more information, and we'll get back to the window sticker here real quick so you can see that also. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. My name's Michael Smith. I'm the internet director here at Bob Pulte Chevrolet. Sorry you're seeing my reflection there. I look like a cave troll. But you got the window sticker there. Like I said, I will have the link below. Or you can leave a question in the comments section. I will answer it as quickly as possible. Just any questions you have about the Trax or any vehicles or buying a car. You don't have to be buying from us. I'm here to help. I know it's a challenging process sometimes. Or if you have any constructive criticism, please leave it in there. I'm always trying to improve my videos or anything you want to see in the future. Thank you. Have a great weekend and have a good day.